New York life. We here. Not that Cali life. And why? Man, Julian's back for a couple of days in Harlem. We gonna show him what Harlem's all about.
90 pull-ups in 2 minutes. The warm-up. Then we worked out. That's how you do it. What this say? What that say? That's right. Stop at nothing. That's what I'm talking about. Good fucking money. Next 3 sets, we just killed chest. Next thing is the buys. 10 pull-ups. Right here. And then we go over here. We're gonna do actually stomach. D. Yo, I know. The original MVP. What's going on, Jimmy?
How you feeling, man?
Good to see you.
Yeah, oh my gosh. You own the place now, I like that, man.
Biceps feel fried, that's why we pause in the center, that's why Charlie had us do that. And 25 is a bit heavy, so Charlie's a good trainer, he knows I need to go lighter, so here.
What's that, 15s?
20s. 10 pounds lighter. Let them hang. Get up.
Now lean back.
Oh.
Right there.
Lean back more.
That's something to bring back to Cali, brother.
Lean back more.
This one don't come up until this one is down. Once it's down, that's when it come up.
Listen, wait up. If you guys are ever in Harlem, Charlie, where can they find you? Where can they work out with you? Where?
I work out my boy A Boogie.
Hey, show yourself.
A Boogie with the hoodie. My boy Ron. My boy Trail. Harlem, 124th 8th Avenue. New York Sports Club. That's how we get it in.
Listen, the best environment to work out. Best environment.
Charlie Q, aka the Black Jesus. With my man Jules, aka Elephant. You know what I'm saying? Cali to motherfucking New York. Back to motherfucking New York. I love it.